Buying a budget 3D printer sounds easy until you realize most of them sacrifice quality, speed, or reliability. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best budget 3D printers in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your money. Whether you're just getting started or upgrading without overspending, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right 3D printer without confusion or hype. I'll cover real print performance, speed, features, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Creality K2 SE Combo. The Creality K2 SE Combo is a budget-friendly multicolor 3D printer with support for the CFS system. It offers up to 500 mm per second printing speed, smart auto leveling, and a solid metal frame. It comes fully assembled, making it beginner-friendly. Review highlights. This printer is a great entry point into multicolor printing without spending too much. It's easy to set up and delivers reliable performance. Pros: multicolor printing support, 500 mm per second, fast printing, fully assembled design, strong metal frame. Number 4. ELEGOO Centauri. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon features a Creality structure with 500 mm per second speed, a 320 degrees centigrade high-temp nozzle, and auto calibration. It also includes a built-in camera for monitoring prints. Review highlights. This printer offers excellent value with high-speed performance and advanced features rarely seen in this price range. Pros: Creality high-speed system, 320 degrees centigrade nozzle for material versatility, auto calibration, built-in camera. Number 3. Creality K2 Combo. The Creality K2 Combo supports multicolor printing with its CFS system and features a 300 degrees centigrade direct drive extruder. It delivers up to 600 mm per second speed and includes an AI camera. It's designed for more advanced users. Review highlights. This printer balances price and performance well, making it ideal for users who want advanced features on a budget. Pros: multicolor printing capability, 600 mm per second ultra-fast speed, AI camera monitoring, auto leveling system. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is a high-speed Creality printer with multicolor support and up to 600 mm per second printing speed. It includes a 300 degrees centigrade direct drive extruder and one-click auto leveling. It's built for precision and efficiency. Review highlights. This printer delivers excellent print quality and speed, making it one of the best value options for serious users. Pros: multicolor printing, 600 mm per second, fast printing, high precision output, easy auto leveling. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M stands out with its Creality all-metal structure and 600 mm per second printing speed. It features a 280 degrees centigrade extruder, fully automatic leveling, and a detachable nozzle system. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users. Review highlights. This printer offers the best balance of performance, reliability, and ease of use in the budget category. It consistently delivers high-quality prints. Pros: 600 mm per second, high-speed printing, fully auto leveling, detachable nozzle system, reliable and beginner-friendly. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing print quality, speed, features, and overall value, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer stands out as the best budget 3D printer in 2026. It delivers top-tier performance at a competitive price, making it the best choice for most users. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.